Good morning, students. Let me ask you a question. What is a daydream? They are the dream we see while we are awake. Probably while the teacher is taking the class, physically you will be in the class, but mentally you are absent. Sometimes you will be thinking of your home, what your mother will be making special thing for you. Or sometimes your father may be coming today from Dubai and you will be thinking that what all he will be bringing for me. Today, let us learn a lesson about a poor man and his daydream. Children, take your textbook, page number 22, lesson 3, the pot of milk. Now, I will read the lesson. Here is the box given. And what do you see in that picture? Two children are making a castle. That might be their dream. Okay, now let's go to the lesson. Look at your textbook. Once there lived a man called Kribben. He was very lazy and poor. He did not like to work at all, but he dreamed of being rich someday. He got his food by asking others for alms. One day, a lady gave him a pot of milk. When he came home, he drank some milk. To the remaining milk, he added some curd.
As he sat down to rest, he started to dream of being rich one day. He dreamed that the pot of milk would be a pot of curd the next day. Then he would make butter from the pot of curd. If I melt that butter, I will get ghee. I will take the ghee to the market. I will sell it for a good price. With the money that I get by selling ghee, I will buy a hen. The hen will lay many eggs. I will sell some eggs. When the remaining eggs hatch, I will have chicks. The chicks will become hens. Soon, I'll have a poultry farm of my own.
Kribben continued to dream. I will sell the hens and buy a cow. The cow will give me milk. There will be many cows. Everyone will buy milk from me. My dairy farm will be the biggest in the country. Then I will have a lot of money. With this money, I will buy horses too. Then I will marry some rich merchant's beautiful daughter.
The dream continued. He smiled as he thought of the cute son they will have. I will name him Deepak. I will fly kites and play marbles with him. I will play hide and seek. When I play hide and seek with my son, I will hide in the horse's stable, he said to himself.
Lying down, Kribben continued to dream. As he continued to dream, he played with a stick he carried when he went to beg for food. Hiding in the stable, I will call my son's name. When he comes to find me, I might see a horse about to kick my son. To save my son, I will hit the horse with a stick. Dreaming this, he raised his stick and hit the air. Alas, he struck the pot of milk with his stick. The pot of milk broken. When milk from the broken pot fell on his face, he realized that he had been daydreaming.
see in this yellow box? Yes, they are building a castle or palace. As you can see clouds in the picture, it is clear that they are building a castle in their dream. Now, coming to the lesson, we are going to learn about a man called Kriban and his daydream. What kind of a man was Kriban? Yes, he was a very lazy man who did not go for any work. So, he did not have money for his food or anything. Every day, he used to get his food by asking others for alms. What do you mean by alms? Money or food given to poor people. Alms means money or food given to poor people. So, he goes to different houses and begs for food. What was his dream? Yes, to become a rich man. Will he become rich if he sits without doing any work? No. One day, a lady gave him a pot of milk. He brought to his home. He drank some, and to the remaining milk, he added some curd. What do you mean by remaining? Amount left after using. Remaining means amount left after using. Children, why he added curd to the milk? Yes, to get more curd from that. Or if we keep the milk like that, it gets spoiled. We won't be able to use for the next day. So he put some curd to that. After that, he went to rest and started to dream of being rich one day. What did he dream? He dreamed that the pot of milk would be a pot of curd. From the curd, he make butter. Then he melt the butter and get ghee. With this ghee, what he does? He takes to the market and sell it. He was very happy. He started getting money. You must remember that all these are his dream. Then, with that money, he thought of buying a hen. What do hens give? Yes, it gives eggs. Again, he takes the eggs to the market and sell it. The remaining eggs he keep to hatch to get chicks. What do you mean by hatch? Chicks to come out of an egg. Hatch means chicks to come out of an egg. All these chicks will become hens. Now, he will have a poultry farm of his own. What do you mean by poultry farm? A place to grow hens and other birds for meat and eggs. A place to grow hens and other birds for meat and eggs. Children, don't forget that he is dreaming. Then he thought that he will sell the hens and buy a cow. You know that cow is a very useful animal. It gives us milk. will come and buy milk from him. He will have many cows. What do you mean by cows? Young ones of a cow. Cows means young ones of a cow. Then, from the poultry farm, he changes to dairy farm. What do you mean by dairy farm? A place to grow animals for milk and milk products. Dairy farm means a place to grow animals for milk and milk products, which will be the biggest one in the country. Next, his dream is to buy horses and to marry a rich merchant's beautiful daughter. His dream is not over. He thought of the cute son they will have and named him Deepak. What do you mean by cute? How do you know? Yes, pretty. Cute means pretty. He plays with his son, fly kites, play marbles, hide and seek, etc. He said that when they play hide and seek, he hides in the horse's stable. What do you mean by stable? A place for keeping horses. Stable means a place for keeping horses. While he was lying, he continued his dream. And he had a stick in his hand, which he carries when he goes to beg for food. And he was playing with that stick. Now, where is he? Yes, he is hidden in the horse's stable. And he calls out Deepak to find him. When he comes to find his father, he sees that a horse is going to kick his son. So what does he do? He hits the horse with the stick. When he raised the stick to hit the horse, it struck the pot of milk. What do you mean by struck? Hit. Struck means hit. Now you will know what happened. Yes, it broke and the milk fell on his face. Now he realized that he had been daydreaming. What is the meaning of daydreaming? Dreaming while awake. Daydreaming, dreaming while awake. Children, in this lesson, we learned a man called Kriban who was very lazy and poor. And he did not like to work at all. Therefore, he used to get food from others by begging. Now children, tell what this story teaches us. Yes, we should earn our livelihood by putting in our own efforts and not by depending on others. Read the lesson 2 or 3 times and learn the new words. Bye.